वेलकम गाइस। आज आज एक बहुत ही स्पेशल वीडियो है because we have completed 100 subscribers and our brainly family is now of 114 subscribers. So in this video today I am going to discuss some questions that uh, chess players have when they are starting on to the chess. And yeah, so today I will be trying to catch up all that points. And so let's get started. So the first question, how to get an international rating? Yeah, many players have it and they're eager to know what is going on and how to get an international rating. So see, if you want to get an international rating, you need to play rating tournaments, and in that tournaments you have to score more than 2 points or at least 2 points, and you get a rating performance in that tournament, from which the FIDE decides that what rating they must give you. So the final decision has in the hands of FIDE, which is an international body for chess. For example, as cricket has BCCI, like that only. Chess has FIDE. Now, an additional point to it, that uh, while you are playing and rating tournament, after your rating tournament is finished, you get a special 8-digit number, and that is your FIDE ID. So it is a very important ID that you have. So let's go to the next question, that how to get a GM or IM title. Yeah, this is a question of little bit high level, but yeah. So um, to get a title of GM or IM, for being a GM you need to have a rating of more than 2500, and if you want to be an IM you need to have a rating of 2400 plus. So there are norms for that you have to complete to get that title, and there are specific tournaments that are called norm tournaments to get the norms and became a IM or GM. So I hope you have got this. Now let's go to the third question, how to overcome failure. Now this is one of the questions that many chess players have, like I failed, now what to do. There are many people like say, "Arey tu haar gaya re, you can't do it more, please quit." But I am telling that please don't quit. See, every grandmaster was once a beginner, and he also lost many games, and I also lose many games. That's not the point. So yeah, you just have to keep trying, keep motivating yourself, and that's it. Now let's go to what is the best method to study chess. See, the best method to study chess is solve as many chess problems as you can, solve tactics, and play as many games as you can, analyze that games, that where I did a mistake. Yeah, and that's all that you can have. And yeah, I think that's the best method to study chess. Now let's go to the next question. How much time we need to give to chess in a day, sorry, to become a better player? See, it's not about the quantity you give, it is about the quality. Uh, as per me, this all answers are specifically to me on my specific experience. I am giving all this answer. So what I do is make a timetable from Monday to Saturday or Sunday, and work according to it. Like on Monday I will do openings, on Tuesday still openings, Wednesday I'll go to middle games and stuff like that. So, and it is a small process. Like it is a very slow process, not small, it is a very long process, but it is a very slow process. Like sometimes you have a development in your game, but sometimes it just, your graph just comes very down, but you need to stay motivated, as I've told you. Now this is a very interesting and a question, that how did India won the Chess Olympiad 2020? So on 30th August 2020, there was a final between India and Russia. I will just give you a roundup of it, where in India, where in the first round, India and Russia tied. So it was, the score was 3-3 and the match was drawn. And in the second game, whereas India was having a slight edge, um, uh, Anand sir drawn his game, then Vidit also drawn his game, Harika also drawn her game, and now there were three games going on: Humpy, Nihal Sarin, and Divya Deshmukh. Where Nihal was slightly worse, but then at that point, but Divya was clearly winning. She was clearly winning, but at that point, the internet server crashed, and there was a disconnection uh, in the chess.com, and Divya and Nihal both lost on time, whereas Humpy was, her time was decreased by 2 minutes, and she also lost the game after. Then our vice captain, Mr. Srinath, he claimed he had an appeal to the appeals committee, and they all sat and discussed what has happened, whereas India said that there was no disconnection on their side. There must be a disconnection to the chess.com server, but there we understood that there was a crash on international server of internet, and so the matches and the FIDE president gave it that the both India and Russia will be shared champions of Chess Olympiad 2020. So this is all for today. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And for interesting content, please stay tuned to my channel. Till then, bye bye.